The schedule of Telangana Chief Minister Revanth Reddy's visit to America has been finalized. CM Revanth Reddy along with a team of officials will visit US to invite industrialists from America to invest in the state. The team will leave for America from Hyderabad on 3rd of next month. The visit will be in various states including Dallas and try to invite investments to Telangana. The government policies and opportunities for investment in Telangana with American industrialists will be explained in this meeting. CM Revanth Reddy's team will tour America for a week. Revanth Reddy will meet CEOs of many companies and industrialists. The CM will return to Hyderabad on August 11th after completing his tour.
బండి జగదాంబ
ఆడికి గలవడం ఉందని అసలు అన్ని షాకులు ఇచ్చారు.